Welcome to another Business Tech Planet video. Today, we'll show you how to fix the no access permissions to the item error in OneDrive. The common fix for this error is to reinstall OneDrive. So we'll show you how to do that on Windows and also on Mac. To reinstall OneDrive on a Windows PC, start by clicking the OneDrive icon in the taskbar. Then click the cog icon in the top right. And select Quit OneDrive from the drop-down. Hit the Close OneDrive button to confirm. Now head down to the Windows search and look for Control Panel. Open your Control Panel. Then head to Uninstall a program, or Programs and Features. Next, click on your Microsoft OneDrive installation. Then hit Uninstall at the top. Hit Yes in the dialog box to confirm. Now click the OneDrive download link in the description, or check the on-screen URL. There, click the download button. Once you've downloaded a new version of OneDrive, install it, and you should find that the permissions error has been resolved. To reinstall OneDrive on your Mac, click the OneDrive icon at the top. Then click the cog icon in the top right. And select Quit OneDrive from the drop-down. Click the Quit OneDrive button to confirm. Now head down to Finder and go to your Applications. There, right-click your OneDrive app. Then select Move to Bin from the pop-up menu. Enter your device password, and hit OK to confirm. Next, click the OneDrive download link in the description, or check the on-screen URL. There, hit the download button. Once downloaded, install OneDrive. Enter your device password, and hit Install Software. And once you've installed and signed into OneDrive, you should find that the permissions error has been resolved. That's all for this video. We hope it was helpful. Check the description for additional links and resources. And leave a comment below if you have any concerns or questions. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more Microsoft videos.